Welcome to School Robotics Tutorials. In this section of video, we are going to be looking at how to add class arms or streams, or how to create class arms or streams on the system. So class stream is where a particular class is being put into several divisions. So practically in some schools, we do have, for instance, basic 1A, B, and C. You have the A class, you have the B class, you have the C class. Other schools to have special names for such divisions. Some use gold, diamond, and silver classes. And so for a particular class like basic 1, we can have the basic 1 gold, basic 1 silver, and diamond. So we want to look at how to create such arms or streams on the system. Okay, so as usual, as we know, we'll go straight to our settings side to do so. So we click on the settings and then proceed to the user and system settings account, and then we select the purpose build and other academics settings. Okay, so this is the final interface where we do our settings. So right on our left interface where the menus are arranged vertically, see the first, second, and the third option, which is the add class arm. That is where we use to do that kind of setting. So we click on the add class arm, and then it opens a box for us to input the class arms that we want to add and then save them. So let's assume we want to add the A class, A. So you click on A and then you click on the save. We want to add the B division, then perhaps the C division. Okay, and so for you in your school, perhaps let's say you do the gold, diamond, and silver. So let me try to add gold. Then I'll add the diamond, the silver as well. Okay, so this is just it. It's a simple process, procedures that we go through to add the class streams or arms. Once the class streams are added here, when we go to the admission side where we onboard students, we are able to assign them to specific class arms according to their classes. Okay, so thank you so much and keep enjoying School Robots. I'll meet you in our other video. Stay blessed and goodbye.